Yo, what's up? It's
Hi.
a tropical storm
Hi
outside.
guys, we're gonna check outside in Hurricane Faye.
Tropical storm Faye.
Yeah, it's so exciting. Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look.
Let's see the damage out here. Oh look, we've got a full
Full
fountain.
fountain.
What is this? This is not even a
This
hurricane.
is, it's not a hurricane, Auntie. It's a tropical
We
storm.
went to school today.
Yeah, no
That was
school
a waste
yesterday. No school yesterday, today, or tomorrow. Ooh, it's so windy. Oh, people are gonna think we're crazy.
Okay, so right now, look, there's a car.
There's a car. Okay.
And it just turned. And it's probably gonna ask us what we're doing outside, but we just wanted to feel the weather. This big thing.
It feels
called
good
Faye.
outside.
Actually, yeah, it feels way better than being inside. You know.
For real.
Oh.
Okay, let's take a look at all the.
This is so much fun. Oh my god.
It is so windy. Hey! Take a look at the trees. The clouds.
We've got a little bit of branches.
It's
and
gonna get
leaves.
worse, but I hope it doesn't.
Okay, star of the show. Alright, so that was our
Oh my god!
That was our update. Now we're kind of getting wet, so we'll see you guys later.
Bye. Check out our videos.